Hello, I'm Robin Cope, and I'm with the Sales and Design team here at the Rug Gallery, and I would like to share some tips with you that I share with my clients about how to choose the perfect rug for your home. My first tip is to start with an area rug. Fall in love with a piece that's the correct size for your home. When you find the rug that you love, it's going to help you find fabrics for your furniture, your drapery, all of the things that will make your home come together in your design style. It's so much easier to start there than to do it the opposite direction. My second tip would be to think about your lifestyle. How are you going to use this room? Do you have children? Do you have animals that you need to consider? Is this the room where you're going to be more formal? How are you going to be using your space, and what is going to be the best material that's going to work well and be a long-lasting rug for your home? My third tip would be to think about color and pattern. People often come into our store and say, I don't know what color I want, what pattern do I want? And then I look at them and go, what do you wear? What colors do you wear? Go to your closet. Think, okay, do I wear vivid colors? Do I wear a lot of pattern? How can you reflect what you wear in your home? Pattern, color, style, it will all be there, and then you can relate that to your space. Well, I hope you enjoyed my design tips, and I hope they're helpful for your home. Please join us at the Rug Gallery to choose the rug that's going to be fabulous for your home.